Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted Instagram comments on Android. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application and click on your profile picture in the bottom and click on three bars on the top right. From here you need to click on your activity. Then you simply need to scroll down and click on download your information, and here you need to select your account. So click on request download and select your Instagram account. So I do not want the data for others account. Okay, so this is my Instagram. Let me remove others as well. Okay, click on next, and here you can see complete copy, select type of information. So from here you can select the type of information. So I want information about comments only, and click on next and click on submit request. Once I submit, I need to wait, and you can see that your information is being prepared for download. We will let you know when it is available. So you need to wait for a few minutes, and after that you receive an email from Instagram in your Gmail, where you can see the complete copy of the comments. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.